Welcome back to the channel. John's Clown back in a caravan. Today we'll do another part of the upgrade videos. Today will be an addition that we had put internally and externally in the caravan. It is an external barbecue point. We'll basically show you where it was fitted, the fittings and what was actually done, and how it was routed. Okay, see you in a little bit. Hi and welcome back to the channel. I'm just going to show you a little addition that we've had placed onto the caravan. It is an external Truma barbecue point, which we had fitted while we were having the caravan service last week. So it's all been fitted and plumbed in. As you can see, it is a genuine Truma item, and basically they cut a hole in the vehicle body. We purchased the Truma gas point and a gasket for between the point and the body, and then 8mm insulated pipe with two right-angled 8mm compression joints and a T-piece 8mm compression joint connector for the main pipe as a branch off. The whole thing was about cost about £100 for all the parts and such, and then about £50 to be fitted and tested as part of the gas safety system on the caravan when it was serviced. So as you can see there is the rear of the barbecue external point, and as you can see it comes onto a right angled 8mm compression joint, and then 8mm pipe which is insulated with a black sheath, and then that, as you can just about see, goes through the bulkhead into the front locker. So we're now at the external front locker, and as you can see where it has come in through the bulkhead, it goes on another right angled 8mm compression joint and runs along there with a few P-clips attaching it to the bulkhead behind the safe filled gas bottle, and goes there to a T-piece, which you can see there. That is an 8mm T-piece which they have cut into at the original pipe, which again is the black insulated pipe there. You can just see the copper there, and that has been pressure tested and drop tested in accordance with the gas safe regulations. That then goes up to the regulator just in there. Hi and welcome back. As you can see, it's now a fully functioning external barbecue point. We're very pleased with it. The actual barbecue point had to be installed by a registered dealer to keep the ingress warranty of 10 years intact. If you don't, then you lose it. So it was a genuine Truma external barbecue point, purchased from a local dealer. We got the gasket from Prima Leisure, and where the right angled and T-piece 8mm joints were from Wakefield, along with the insulated gas pipe, which I bought 2 meters of and got about just over 3/4 of a meter left. So you saw how it was routed. It's not a difficult task, but because of the gas safe or CORI regulations, whichever you're aware of, it has to be checked, otherwise Mr. Taz will be coming after you. So yeah, we're looking forward to using it next week, which will be the 12th onwards. We were going to go to the NEC, but we've decided to go over to Cheshire and catch a bit of family and things, and a quick look round, and go from there. So if you like this upgrade video, or any of the vlogs that we put out, give it the thumbs up. Remember to subscribe, it's free. It helps the channel in a big way. And ring that old bell for notifications for our next vlogs. And it only leaves to say TTFN. See you soon.